The tech world is buzzing as Poco gears up to unveil the F8 Pro and F8 Ultra globally on November 26th, and these aren't your typical mid-range phones. With a massive 6.9-inch 2K AMOLED display, ultra-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, the F8 Ultra promises to blur the line between flagship and mid-range. But there's more hiding under the hood that could shake up the entire segment. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more! Today, we're diving into everything the Poco F8 Ultra brings to the table, from powerhouse performance to cinematic cameras, immersive audio, and battery tech that keeps up with your day. Starting with design, the F8 Ultra sports a sleek metal frame just 7.9 mm thick, weighing 218 grams, and it carries an IP68 rating, making it both stylish and tough enough for everyday adventures. Powering this beast is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, built on a 3nm process and clocked at a whopping 4.6 GHz. Coupled with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, heavy games and multitasking won't break a sweat. On the display side, it doesn't just stop at size and refresh rate. Peak brightness hits 500 nits, HDR7 FS, Dolby Vision support, and Dragon Crystal glass protection for durability. Camera enthusiasts will be thrilled. The triple rear setup includes a 50MP Omnivision main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a 50MP periscope telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom. Selfie fans get a detailed 32MP front shooter, with the main camera supporting 8K at 30 fps video. Audio takes a leap forward too, thanks to a collaboration with Bose. A 2.1 speaker system with dual speakers and a subwoofer ensures crisp, punchy sound whether you're gaming or streaming. Battery life remains solid at 6,500 mAh, with 100W wired and 50W wireless charging plus reverse charging support. The phone runs Android 16 with HyperOS 3 loaded with AI features and 4 years of OS updates. Add IP68 water resistance, advanced cooling, excess linear vibration, USB-C 3.2 Gen 1, NFC, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4, and you have a device that feels ahead of its time. With all this packed into a competitive price point, the Poco F8 Ultra might just redefine what we expect from a premium mid-range phone.